What is going on, YouTube and Ford family? This is Mark coming from Varsity Ford in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Beautiful sunny day here. And today we're going to go over a feature that started a few years ago in the Lincolns and is now incorporated all through the Ford vehicles, and that is Ford Pass. Through this pandemic of COVID-19, there's been a lot of questions on how to mostly activate the app and get it onto, running through the vehicle and working correctly. There's a couple of steps and a couple of tricky situations, so that is why I am going to get this video in here for any customer that is having an issue with getting their Ford Pass app working correctly. It's a great feature and want all of our customers to be able to use it.
Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to need to do is download the app. So either Google Play for an Android or Apple Store for Apple phones. We're going to search in Ford Pass, and you should see a blue icon with a white F in the center. Go ahead and go to that. Now if you already have it downloaded, you can hit open, and if you don't, go ahead and download that app. And once it successfully has downloaded and you see it on your phone, go ahead and go into it. And the first thing it's going to ask for us is to select a country. Here we're in the United States. So the next thing it's going to ask is to either log in or create an account. We're going to go ahead and create an account for example purposes. First thing it's going to ask for is our first name, last name, and username, which needs to be your email. Cannot create anything else other than your email. And then it's going to ask us for a password. Once you got a password in there, go ahead and accept those terms and conditions and continue on. Loading should only take a few seconds here. Then we're going to add in our primary address, and it's also going to ask us for a phone number as well. So go ahead and enter in that information, hit continue or next. And then it's going to ask us for a 4-digit PIN. You're going to need to put that in twice to confirm, and then you can add in a Touch ID if you would like. After you hit continue, it's going to say congratulations. You can take the tour, but we're going to skip that for now. So here's the trickiest part, is adding the vehicle. So we're going to hit add, and we're going to need the VIN number. So your VIN can be located in a couple of different spots, either your registration, your insurance, or if you have a copy of the invoice, or on the vehicle itself. Now you can take a picture, but I personally just find it's easier to type in the VIN. Once you've typed in the VIN, start searching for it. It should only take a few seconds here. And there it is, vehicle found. Next thing you can do is you can give it a nickname. Alright, so the app has been updated. You can go check it out if you've seen the formatting before. Otherwise, you can just say got it. It's going to ask us to allow for our location and also for notifications. And it's also going to make sure that you're not driving. So moving on to the last part, you're going to see where it says vehicle details. Go ahead and hit that. You're going to see where it says activate vehicle. Now you need to be in your vehicle at this point. Once you're in your vehicle, hit that activate vehicle. You're going to see it's attempting to connect, and that you're going to be prompted inside your vehicle. So looking at the touchscreen on your vehicle, you're going to hit yes to the Ford Pass. You're going to see one more prompt for a vehicle connecting to a Wi-Fi network, and you can hit close for now. Now looking back at your phone, you should see where it's got the start engine, the lock, and unlock. If you go into vehicle details, it's going to load some more information. There it is right there. And it'll kind of show you all the vehicle details, fuel, the location, oil pressure, etc.
Well guys, that is it. It takes about 3 or 4 minutes to get the Ford Pass activated. One other suggestion I will say is after you have it activated, if it still says activation pending, to close out the app and then reopen it up. This should be a one-time thing. Unless you ever do a master reset on your vehicle, then you will have to connect the vehicle and the app back together. But that's it. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to go to varsityford.com and ask any of our very knowledgeable sales staff.